If you're a landlord or property manager looking to rent out your property efficiently, you might have come across Enrento. I tested the platform thoroughly, and here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong. They assume all rental platforms are the same, but Enrento focuses on simplifying tenant screening and property management for landlords. You can list properties, manage applications, and screen tenants all in one place. The user interface is clean and intuitive. Adding a property is simple. Just upload photos, write a description, set rent, and deposit amounts, and you're ready to go. Potential tenants can apply online, and you get notifications immediately. One standout feature is the tenant screening tools. Enrento runs credit checks, background checks, and rental history verification, which saves a lot of time and reduces the risk of problem tenants. The surprising truth is that Enrento also includes lease management features. You can send digital lease agreements, collect signatures, and even accept online rent payments, making it almost a full property management solution. On the downside, there is a subscription cost for landlords to access the full suite of features. If you only have one property, it might feel like overkill, but for multiple units, the time savings can be substantial. In conclusion, Enrento is ideal for landlords who want to streamline tenant screening and property management without juggling multiple tools. It's especially useful if you manage multiple properties and want a single platform to handle everything from applications to online payments. Subscribe for more honest property platform reviews and tips to make renting easier and safer.